Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're navigating the ever-changing world of Facebook in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to view your Facebook profile as public. This quick guide will help you see exactly how your profile appears to the general public, ensuring your online presence is just how you want it. Why does this matter? Well, in an era of heightened privacy concerns, checking your profile from a public viewpoint can prevent unintended sharing and keep your personal info safe. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the latest app or website version for 2025. Once you're in, head to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you straight to your main page. Next, look just below your cover photo for the three dots or a More button. It's usually there. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select View As. This feature lets you peek at your profile through different lenses, like as a public user. Now, choose the Public option. You'll instantly see how your profile looks to anyone on Facebook who isn't your friend. Scroll through your posts, photos, and About section carefully. Is there anything you'd rather keep private? If so, don't worry, I'll touch on that in a bit. One quick tip. If something doesn't look right, go back to your settings. Under Privacy Checkup, or Settings and Privacy, you can adjust who sees what. Remember, Facebook updates its interface often, so if things look a little different in 2025, the steps are generally the same. There you have it, a simple way to maintain control over your digital footprint. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.